All right, now we're going to do checkpoint 3. And so I'm going to read it to you, then you go ahead and pause, work on it, and come back. It says, at a point 65 feet from the base of a building, the angle of elevation to the bottom of an antenna is 35 degrees, whereas the angle of elevation to the top is 43 degrees. Find the height of the antenna. Round your answer to the 1 decimal place. Okay, so now go ahead and pause and come back. So here we go. So we've got our building. Oops, pretty bad. There we go. And we've got an antenna. All right. Okay, so there's our building, and we're going to draw an angle of elevation here, right? And then we're going to draw an angle of elevation to here. Okay, and what do we know? This 65 feet, and the angle of elevation to the bottom of the antenna is 35 degrees. And then the angle of elevation to the top is 43 degrees. So now we want to find the height of the antenna, right? We'll call that, let's call it L, right? And so again, we're looking for the difference in the two heights, right? So we want to find this height, we'll call it H1, and we want to find this height, we'll call it H2, subtract them, and we get L. So L is going to equal H1 minus H2, right? So how do we get H1? Well, H1 is going to be based on what? 43 degree angle, and we know the adjacent side is 65 degrees, so this is going to be a tangent, right? So the tangent of 43 degrees equals H1 over 65. Okay. And again, that's going to, if we solve for H1, H1 is going to equal 65 times the tangent of 43 degrees. Okay. And again, similarly, we get tangent of 35 degrees is going to equal H2 over 65, which then is going to, if we solve, we get H2 is going to equal 65 times the tangent of 35 degrees, right? And again, all we have to do is stick this in our calculator. Okay, and so we get what? We get, let's see, 65 times tangent of 43 degrees, and that's going to be approximately 60.6 feet. And then similarly, we're going to take 65 times the tangent of 35 degrees, and that's 45 point, so approximately 45.5 feet. Okay, And so now we're just going to solve for L. So L equals what? 60.6 minus 45.5, which is going to give us what? 30.1, approximately, right? 30.1 feet. Or not 30. What am I? Not 30. 15. Yeah. 15.1 feet. And that's the height of the approximate height of the antenna. All right. Have a great day.